Hello guys, in this video I will guide you on how to screen mirror the Redmi Note 15 Pro to TV. And trust me, the process is quite simple. Now there are basically two ways you can go about doing this depending on the type of TV you have. First things first, if you have a TV that is not an Android or a Google TV like the Hisense Smart TV, which I have over here, or the LG TV or the Samsung Tizen TV, literally any TV that is not an Android or a Google TV, the process is quite different from a TV that is an Android or a Google TV. Now for TVs that are not Android or Google TVs, what you want to do is to first of all make sure that both your Redmi Note 15 Pro and your TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi or hotspot network. So if you come over to the Wi-Fi settings of my Redmi Note 15 Pro, you can see that it is currently connected to my iPhone, which I am basically using as my Wi-Fi in this particular case. And for your TV, you also want to make sure it is also connected to that same Wi-Fi or hotspot network. So go over to the connection or connectivity settings of your TV, make sure that your TV's Wi-Fi is turned on and you also connect it to that same Wi-Fi or hotspot network as well. Once both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi or hotspot network, head over to the home of your TV. And now on your Redmi Note 15 Pro, you want to head over to the settings just like so. And then at the top search input over here, you just want to go ahead and search for cast or screen mirroring. So just search for cast or screen mirroring. And you're going to see the cast option over here. Go ahead and tap on that. And all you just have to do now is to make sure that cast over here is turned on. Click on agree over here. And then just give it all of the permission it requires as well. And now it will start to search for available TVs it can actually screen mirror or cast your device to. So you want to give it a couple of seconds. Just make sure that both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi or hotspot network at this particular point, and you should be able to find the name of your TV. So this is actually the name of my TV. I'll go ahead and select it. Now just give it a couple of seconds. And after about 10 seconds, your Redmi Note 15 Pro should now be mirrored to your TV. Remember, this actually works for TVs that are not Android or Google TV. Now for an Android or a Google TV like this one, this is actually an Android TV. The process is slightly different. First off, you have to also make sure that both your Android or Google TV are actually connected to the same Wi-Fi or hotspot network as your Redmi Note 15 Pro. And then on your Redmi Note 15 Pro, you want to head over to the Google Play Store or App Store, come over to the search input over here, and then proceed to search for the Google Home app. Now you can literally see it over here. And mine, as you can see, is not already downloaded. So I'm just going to click on the download button over here to download and install it. And once you have the app installed, just go ahead and open it up directly from here. The setup process is quite simple. Click on get started at the bottom, click on next, click on allow over here, and then just select your Google account, preferably the same Google account that is used to set up your Android or your Google TV. Mine is over here. I'm just going to select it, then click on the OK button at the bottom over here. You'll also be required to turn on Bluetooth. Just go ahead and turn on Bluetooth and you're good to go. Now, this is basically how the app is on the home page. And what you want to do, since both devices are already connected to the same Wi-Fi, click on the devices tab, which is this tab over here, these boxes, tap on it. And now you're going to see all of the devices that are connected to the same Wi-Fi or hotspot network as your Redmi Note 15 Pro. So basically, this is the name of my Android TV. It should also appear here if you have a Google TV as well. Now go ahead and select it, and you're going to see the cast my screen option over here. Select that as well, and then just select on cast screen. Now you'll be required to select the scope of the cast. Just go ahead and select that, and then select on the entire screen option, then tap on start casting, and automatically again you should be able to screen mirror or cast your Redmi Note 15 Pro to your Android or your Google TV without any issue. And as you can see, this works absolutely well. Please let me know in the comment section if this tutorial was helpful, and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.